Hello class 10 children. As you all know, we are doing digital documentation advanced of part B. Now we have started with inserting images in openoffice.org, and in that we were doing drawing objects. We were discussing about drawing object, that how to set properties of the drawing object, how to create them. Now today we will be discussing about resizing a drawing object and grouping drawing objects. Now resizing a drawing object, as we were resizing an image, similarly we can resize a drawing object also. As you all know, drawing object is any object that is drawn with the help of the considerations already present in openoffice.org. For example, a line, a wavy line, a rectangle, a triangle, clouds, all these are drawing objects. So in order to resize, what you will be doing, you will be selecting the objects and then click on one of the 8 handles around it and drag it to the new position. So this way you can easily resize the drawing object according to your need. For a scaled resizing, you will select any one of the corner handles and then keeping the shift key pressed, you can drag the handle to the new position. For more sophisticated control of the size of the object, you can select format, then object, and then position and size from the menu bar. So it will open the position and size dialog box where you can set the width and height independently according to your need. Now next is grouping the drawing objects. Now grouping means that we are not doing resizing in a single object. We are considering 2 or 3 objects and then together we are making changes to them. So first of all, you will select one object and then holding down the shift key, you will select the others that you want to include in this group. So what will happen? The bounding box will expand, including all the selected objects. Then after that, once you have selected the objects, you will hover the mouse pointer over one of the objects and you will choose format, then group option from the menu bar, or directly you can right click and choose the group option from the pop-up menu. So this way you can easily group many objects together and you can move them together. Now next is positioning the image or graphics within the text. See, earlier also we have studied about that how you can arrange the text around an image. Text wrapping you have studied in class 9. Now here, when you add a graphic to a text object, text document, you need to choose how to position it with respect to text and other graphics. Okay, so once you have inserted any image or graphic image, so how to arrange the text around it, that you need to consider. The positioning of graphics is often time consuming and it may take much of the time of the experienced users also. So as this openoffice.org is also a word processor, so what will happen? You can position the graphic by 4 settings. So number 1 is arrangement. So arrangement refers to the placement of the graphic on an imaginary vertical line. So what will happen? It will control how graphics are stacked upon each other or relative to the text. So your arrangement is on an imaginary vertical line. Then next is alignment. Alignment refers to vertical or horizontal placement of a graphic in relation to the chosen point. Then number 3 is anchoring. Anchoring, what will happen? It refers to the reference point for the graphics. Now this point could be a page or frame where the object is a paragraph or even a character. So an image will always have an anchor point, that means the holding point. and image is having a holding point, and you can arrange the text around it. The next is text wrapping. Now, as you all know, text wrapping, it refers to the relation of graphics to the surrounding text, which may wrap around the graphic on one or both sides. So once your graphic is placed, the text will be wrapped around it. Or it may treat graphic as a separate paragraph or character. Now the settings can be accessed in a number of ways. From the format menu, where you will find alignment, then arrange, then wrap and anchor. So what will happen? From the pop-up menu displayed, when you right click on the graphic, you will find these options. For images, the type and wrapping pages of the picture dialog box will be chosen. So what will happen? You can follow any of these four, that is arrangement, alignment, anchoring or text wrapping, to position the image within the text. This will help you in arranging the graphic around that text easily. So that is all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.